What's up, Team DMS? It's the Master Stylist, and I am back with another video. I already molded her hair and everything, so I'm going right in with Main Oil. Main Oil is available at mainlifestudio.com. It's the best oil. It also promotes hair growth, and you can use it on your body as well. So we're gonna go ahead and start by doing the sides. She wanted like a curly pixie. She doesn't like much height. So I'm gonna start by using my H2 Pro micro iron. It's a 3/10 iron. I have the dome shape ceramic one. I put a link. I think I already have it inside of my Amazon list of things that I currently use in, like, in the salon in most of my videos. And we're just curling, and then you can see where I'm pressing it flat, after I curl, just to hold it down. I know it kind of looks like I'm tapping it, but that's because the video is slightly sped up, but I'm actually holding it there to allow it to be flat, and her hair is not like sticking out on the sides.
Thanks, it's on the beat.
And I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see she has a little bit of tint of red in her hair. I colored her hair like about 2 months ago using cheese caramel color in red, and it stayed on. She still has that color in there a little bit on her ends. The color is very, very pigmented. It just stains really, really bad. And I guess that's why it stains, because it stays. But I don't know. I don't. And it runs. Like, you can shampoo and shampoo and shampoo the hair, but it's just runs. So that was the downside. And I do have another video, I believe, a few videos where I was using the blue and the red. This is the flat iron that I'm using is, of course, Red by Kiss. It is a 1/2 inch flat iron. It's titanium, and it has the flat plates. It's not the dome shape like the H2 Pro that I have. I've had this for a while, and normally by now flat irons, they don't last. They just kind of like stop working. But I've had this one for probably about 2 years. And it's still ticking. I mean, it's still ticking.
Thanks, it's on the beat.
Now I'm going to take a Firm's light hair dressing cream, put a little bit in my fingers, and I'm just going to tap it on the hair, and I'm going to use the moisture that's on my hand from it to pick out her curls. Again, she did not want it high. She does not like height. So I am combing out the curls, but I'm also going to leave it flat so she still, has that pixie look and it's not too high in the top.
Dice is on the beat.